In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split market profile for different trading sessions in GoCharting. We'll walk through the exact settings you need so your market profile prints separately for each trading session, making it easier to read auction structure and compare session-by-session behavior. Start by opening your browser and heading to GoCharting. From the main navigation, click on Products, then choose Charts to launch the charting terminal. Once your chart is open, look for the settings gear icon on the interface and click it. Inside these chart settings, enable grid lines. Turning grid lines on gives you clearer visual references across time, which is especially helpful when you're validating where one session ends and the next begins. Next, in the same settings area, set the time zone. For accurate session splits, align the chart's time zone to the source exchange. Selecting the source exchange ensures your session opens and closes match the market you're charting, rather than your local computer time. This avoids mismatches during daylight saving changes or when you switch instruments that trade on different venues. With that in place, open the settings again so we can configure sessions. Navigate to the Sessions section. This is where you define how the trading day is partitioned, and it's exactly what Market Profile uses to break out profiles by session. Click Add Sessions. You'll see pre-built templates that save time and reduce guesswork. For round-the-clock markets, choose the Crypto Forex UTC option. Using UTC is handy for globally traded instruments because it's consistent and not impacted by local daylight shifts. After selecting the template, click Apply Group. When you apply the group, the platform creates the session blocks for you, typically reflecting common market cycles such as Asia, London, and New York in UTC. Your chart now has the structural boundaries that Market Profile references to split profiles per session. Grid lines and session shading make it easy to verify that each session starts and ends where you expect. A few practical tips as you review the chart. If you switch tickers or exchanges, confirm your time zone is still set to the source exchange so your sessions stay aligned. If your workflow demands a different mapping, you can return to the sessions area later to adjust timings or refine colors for clarity without changing the underlying approach you just set up. That's it. Go to GoCharting, open charts, enable grid lines, set the time zone to the source exchange, and in sessions add the Crypto Forex UTC group and apply it. Your market profile will now respect those session boundaries for cleaner session-by-session analysis.